The first loss in about 11 or 12 trades, I want to say. We lost 90 bucks trading booking BKNG. Let's cover it. First things first, I'll pull up the account. The account this was traded in was a 10K account. We've traded it up to over 10.6. We take a $90 or whatever hit, and now it's currently at 10,577. We have one open position there, which is around break even roughly. So, how do we lose 90 bucks trading booking? Well, this is actually a trade that I entered in on Wednesday, the 22nd. After I really should have entered this trade on Tuesday, the 21st, but I did not because I just didn't see it. And I must not have I saw the alert, but I must have forgot or didn't get back to the alert in time. And then so I was like, oh, well, I can still get in on Wednesday. And there was no reason. It was not a bad reason. It wasn't like, oh, you broke your rule. No, it was fine. Like, it was a swing trade idea, breaking out over this level. So I got in a little bit higher than maybe what I wanted to, but like by a couple bucks, realistically. Not a humongous deal at all. And as I speak, the market is kind of is it tanking? Kind of. You know, we had NVIDIA earnings, which were good, or reaction was good. And then the market, it's funny how that works. Market gaps up and then proceeds to give it all back. A massive bearish engulfing on the S&P, a nasty one building up on the Qs. The Dow is just pretty nasty, and the Russell pretty nasty. So you just got one of those days. There's nothing you can do about it. Doesn't really matter. I don't really care. And just the trade didn't work. Simple as that. We had a lot of trades in a row that did work, and we had one now that has not worked, which is not surprising by any means that this was coming at some point. So the trade idea here was really looking at a break above this level, a stop loss under breaking candle low, which just about got hit right now, and like literally seconds ago. And then I was targeting just north of or I guess just south of a 2-to-1, but north of a 1.5 to 1. I was looking for around 39.50, give or take, which would have been about a 1.7 to 1 risk reward. Just a breach or a push up to those new all-time highs on booking. I think it's all-time highs. Yeah. So that was the trade, and obviously it didn't work. So kept it pretty simple. Stop loss was tight. I mean, if you jump into currently our month, let's just refresh the month here. We are up about 1458, but look at our winners versus losers. So our average winner 121, average loser is 59.70. So kept this trade underneath this loss, underneath our average winner for the month, which in my book is a great thing to do. So not really mad, not disappointed. It's just the nature of trading. This is what it is, right? If you expect to win them all, expect to fail. Now the thing is though too, right? I gotta stop saying right. I know. I should now say. Now when I say it, it's almost like I'm almost joking because when I say it, I know that I said it, but sometimes I catch myself, sometimes I don't. But now is a good example of why you don't, or why I did not size up after a long winning streak, right? I don't know when the winning streak's going to end, so I'm going to keep sizing the same way that I've been sizing. And if, we go off what we've been doing, this is a very good loss. I love that loss. If I lost $250 on it, that would mean that I'm probably looking to make about $400 on the trade and risk $250, which doesn't really line up very, very well with how I've been sizing the past couple of weeks. So does that make any sense to make a jump to that type of sizing after winning 11 or 12 in a row? To someone who doesn't understand trading, it's like, oh, this guy's really good. You figured it out and now you can't lose. You would say yes, but you don't understand. I literally do not know. Nobody knows which ones are going to work. I wish I could tell you that this trade on US Steel, which sounds fucking random at this point, I'll be honest with you. I wish I could tell you, oh, this looks so good. It's going to be a great short down in 32. We're going to cash it in and it's going to work. Like I have no idea. This one might not work. This one might work, The booking trade might have been insane, but it didn't work. Like I don't know. I wish it's not. I don't even wish I know, because I don't give a fuck. I really don't. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant when you have a strategy that you just roll with. That's it. We're just rolling with the strategy, and that's it, baby. So that's the deal. That's the update. That's the trade recap. I will leave a link down below to TradeZilla, like always. We are currently at a 77.78% win rate. I would love to see me finish the month above 80%. That would be hilarious if I did. Not like I'm going for that, but that would be kind of funny, because then I can give you guys that, like, if you go back, there's like a video or a couple of shorts ago or a couple of weeks ago, I like really dug into like 80% win rates are fucking bullshit, because I saw a video, some guy was like, yeah, well, commenting back, well, yeah, I have an 80% win rate, so fuck off, like, you know, the strategy's fine, you know, because he got a bad comment on the video. And after watching that, I actually do not think I have watched a trading related video since on YouTube, because I saw that and I was like, dude, this is absolutely retarded type of information you're giving out. Like, this doesn't make any sense. It's not helpful. You're not helping anybody. Let's stop with this shit. But it would be funny if I had an 80% win rate, because I literally would have said in the past, or I have said in the past, that 80% win rate is unrealistic. However, I will show you the 80% win rate if I get there by the end of the month. And then I will go back to the past 2 months where I had a 45% win rate and say, yes, if you cherry pick the time frame, yeah, anybody can have an 80% win rate. Hey, we can have a 100% win rate. But it's about the big picture. Big picture. So there you have it. Thanks so much, guys, for hanging out, watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.